Did you know it? The world population is expected by 2 billion people in the next 30 years. By this, we know demographic numbers are increasing. Therefore, urban areas expand until it's overcrowded. Thus, the solution will invade rural ones to urbanize them. Obviously, it has a high environmental impact. Pavements used to urbanize interrupt the natural water cycle. I bet you're expecting how. The traditional drainage system captured rainwater and let it to drains, polluting and wasting those large volumes of clean water. For this reason, an ecological concrete was developed. It lets water pass through it thanks to the effect of gravity and the slightly or no amount of fine aggregates found in its composition. At this point, I'm sure you know we're talking about pervious concrete. Its permeable property enables it to capture water from rains and then infiltrate it into the subsoil and aquifers, avoiding like that stagnations and floods. In summary, thanks to the application of pervious pavements in parks, tracks, and bypaths, sustainable urbanizations are allowed. However, despite the multiple advantages it has, there are many countries in which this technology is almost nil, such as Peru. In this country, the number of pervious pavements built represents a really low percentage of the country's total existing pavements. For the concrete industry, this material doesn't fill the mechanical requisite parameters. Nevertheless, several research, such as the study on strange characteristics of pervious concrete using mineral mixtures, published on the International Journal of Engineering and Technology in 2018, indicates that pervious concrete can adopt compressive strength more significant than 30 megapascals with the use of additives or mineral additions. About this latter, its production also reduces the amount of cement in the mix, reducing the number of greenhouse gases such as CO2 expelled into the atmosphere during the manufacture of cement. With this concern in mind, we seek to promote interest and research in the international student community. We propose to develop the Dream Pervious City Student Competition, which will be presented within the frameworks of the international convention events organized by the ACI.
Hello, my name is Miguel Núñez.
Ciao, el mio nome è Fabiola Romero.
Hola, mi nombre es Michael.
Oi, meu nome é Igadi Marmenilla.
We are students from the Faculty of Engineering of the Continental University at Peru, and this is our project Dream Pervious City Student Competition.
Dream Pervious City Student Competition creates a significant challenge for the university representative teams, which will come from different places all over the world. The themes will include industrial waste from the localities as a raw material in pervious concrete and show an application or innovative use in real projects.
Our proposal can be seen as an updating of the already exciting pervious concrete cylinder competition, as some permits to be scored are the same. However, we will focus more on evaluating the sustainability of the mix. It's related to the inclusion of the industrial secret waste competitor will carry from the located to the pervious concrete design. This will promote the research of new ecology materials and concrete addition and overlay. The competition will encourage the creation of positive impact on different communities, providing a durable solution to the current problems faced by the concrete industry.
The competition will be developed into sections. For the first day, the students will have a period of 60 minutes to make their pervious concrete mix design. The mixture should include the industrial waste material brought from their locality. Every group will receive the characteristics of the aggregates and the mix composition cards. Later, they will use the equipment and materials necessary to develop the mixture. The two variables of the mix design will be the industrial waste material from the university teams and the dosage obtained in designing the mixture. After the mixing process is carried out, the competition will evaluate the concrete cylinder manufacturing process based on a corresponding ASTM standard. It will be evaluated that the mixture design developed by the teams complies with the characteristics and the definition established in the ACI 522 R code.
Day 2 will be focused on carrying out the sample testings they have made the day before. The challenge seeks to achieve pervious concrete mixtures that develop high resistance at early ages. as they are placed on pavements in which restricting traffic must take the shortest time possible. Likewise, the concrete cylinder test will be carried out using a falling head parameter test setup, and the tensile strength by division will be determined using ASTM C496, a standard test method for determining the diameter compressive tensile strength of cylindrical concrete specimens. On the same day, everything will explain why they have used their industrial waste material in the concrete mix and its positive impact on the industrial world and the population.
Mix design and optimization. It will be evaluated that the mixture design developed by the team complies with the characteristics and the definition established in the AC522R code. A higher score will be awarded to teams that develop mixture with an optimal cement amount per cubic meter. 2. Sustainable innovation. In this category, what will be scored are the features of the industrial processed waste material used as material addition in their mix. Why they choose it? We are going to emphasize on the way they explain to the judging team how the reuse of these waste materials impacts positive on their communities.
Furthermore, the use of a new waste material in the mix will be taken into account and scored too. As a reward, it will give additional points to the team. Finally, they will have to propose an innovative application of pervious concrete. Teams will have to explain all this in the second day.
Dream Pervious City Student Competition promotes better management and reuse of waste materials. Moreover, spreads pervious concrete use by calling upon participants to set up new and innovative solutions against social problems through the use of pervious concrete.